everyone, today we are going to begin with our new book, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, today we are going to begin with chapter number 3, that is aquatic mammals. We all know what are mammals. Mammals are basically animals which give birth to babies, but here in this chapter we are going to study about aquatic mammals, that means those mammals which live in water. Some mammals have adapted to live in water and residing in oceans and other marine environments. Let's learn about a few of these creatures. Pictures and facts. Take the right answer about aquatic mammals. So there are pictures of those mammals. There is some fact or questions given to it, and you have to mark a tick on the correct answer. So let's begin with the chapter. So the first picture is of common seals. This is a very beautiful picture of a seal, and there are certain questions related to it. The first question is asking, where do common seals live? And the answer for this question is deep or जैसे along the temperature and Arctic coastline and the northern hemisphere. They don't live in deserts, they don't live in grasslands, they don't live in rivers. So D is the correct answer. Next, how long do seals live? कितना लंबा जीते हैं? How long do they live? The A part is 5 to 10 years. 15 to 20 years is the B part. C is 25 to 35 years, or D 50 years, and the answer is C 25 to 35 years. Then we have the next question, that is the third question, which is related to this animal, and this is known as a sea cow. What is the another name of sea cow? And the answer for this question is manatee. The C part, manatee. It is not a dolphin, it is not a whale, and it is neither a seal. Next question number 4. What does the sea cow eat? Sea cow क्या खाती है? And the answer for this question is not fish, neither a seal, and not even crabs. A sea cow eats sea plants. That is the B option. Then we have the fifth question. How big can a sea cow grow? एक sea cow कितना बड़ा grow कर सकती है? And the answer for this question is D, 4 meter long. A is not the answer, B is again not the answer, C is also not the answer. The answer is D, 4 meter long. The sixth question is, where are baleen whales found? So this is the image of baleen whales. They are very huge mammals, and they are asking where are they found. The first option is Indian Ocean, B not Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, or D rivers, and the answer is not Pacific Ocean. Then the seventh question is, what do baleen whales eat? What do they eat? Do they eat plants or fish or seals or small crustaceans? The answer for this question is small crustaceans, that is the D option. Next we have the eighth question. How long can baleen whales grow? Whether 10 to 15 feet or 20 to 30 feet, 49 to 52 feet or 100 feet. And the answer is C, 49 to 52 feet. Then we have the ninth question. Where does walrus live? Now this is the image of a walrus, and where does it live? It lives in Indian Ocean or Pacific Ocean or the rivers, or the D option, Arctic Ocean. And the answer is walrus lives in Arctic Ocean, that is the D option. Let's now move further to the 10th question. Then the 10th question is, which special feature does the walrus have? What is the special feature about walrus? The first feature, they have given stripes on the body. Second is long tusk and whiskers, black tear marks, or flippers only. And if you see the image, there are long tusk and whiskers on its face. So the correct answer is B, long tusk and whiskers. 11th question, how much can a walrus weigh? So what is the weight of a walrus? And the answer for this question is 1500 kgs. That is the D option. Then there is a quick fact given over here. A manatee consumes approximately 10 to 15% of its body weight daily. Manatee means a cow, ocean cow. It eats 10 to 15% of its amount of the body every day, which amounts to about 50 kilograms of food. यानी कि एक दिन में वो 50 किलो खाना खा जाती है. This was all about the quick fact. Then we have your answer, please. The first is a blue whale an aquatic mammal? They are asking you, is a blue whale an aquatic mammal or not? You have to answer on your own. Next question, how deep it can be found? How deep can it be found? This also you have to answer on your own. You have to write the answer given below. Let's now move further to the 12th question. The 12th question is of where does sea otter live? And a sea otter is what? This is the image of a sea otter, and it lives in deserts of Africa or rivers or North Pacific Ocean or the Arctic Ocean. And the answer is C, North Pacific Ocean. Then we have the next question. What do sea otters eat? कि sea otters क्या खाते हैं? So the various options are, first one is plants, second is algae, third is sea urchins, and the D is worms. And the answer for this question is C, sea urchins. Next we have the 14th question. How much can a sea otter weigh? एक sea otter का कितना weight हो सकता है? And the options are A 10 kg, B 25 kg, C 45 kgs, or D 100 kgs. And the answer for this question is 45 kgs, C. Then the 15th question, which rare behavior is seen in sea otter? कौन सा ऐसा rare behavior है, एक अलग सा unique behavior है जो आपको sea otter में देखने को मिलता है? And the first option is hunting in groups. क्या वो ग्रुप्स में हंटिंग करते हैं? स्लीपिंग अंडर वाटर, या वो पानी के नीचे सोते हैं? सी, यूजिंग स्टोन्स टू डिसलॉट प्रे एंड ओपन शेल्स, और क्या वो स्टोन्स को यूज करते हैं अपने प्रे को डिसलॉक करने के लिए और अपने शेल्स खोलते हैं? और कैन चेंज इट्स कलर अंडर वाटर, या वो पानी के नीचे अपना रंग बदलते हैं? एंड द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. सो this is the answer. This is the rare behavior of an sea otter. This was all about the various questions. Let's now move further. Well, the next is that paste or draw the picture of your favorite aquatic animal. Whichever is your favorite aquatic animal, you have to paste the picture over here. So this is of your choice, children. You can do it on your own. This isn't just like an activity. Another quick fact is given here on this page. Let's read it. Aquatic mammals breathe air through lungs. So remember, children, mammals have lungs. They do not have gills. They breathe through the air through lungs and come to the surface to take a breath. और वो पानी की सतह पर या पानी के सरफेस पे आते हैं सांस लेने के लिए, to take a breath. So this was all about the quick fact and the chapter. I hope you have liked the chapter. Thank you. Thank you everyone for watching the video. I hope you have understood the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.